Be, for almost 12 years, you fought your position in my life. There are times when I would see you get tired, but there was never a time you give up.
The day we've been waiting for has finally come. Who would have thought that we will come this far? It's been a long and great journey, my love. Thank you for always understanding and for loving me unconditionally. Can't wait to be your wife. See you later. Love you, B. Bam.
Marrying you is the biggest achievement of my life. Indeed, you are one of the best gifts that God has given to me. It's been almost 12 years now since we started our relationship. We have been through ups and downs and made our relationship solid. From now on, I promise never to let go of your hands, that the hand that I take now will be the same I hold in the strongest storms of our lives. I love you so much, Van. Thank you for always understanding me. Thank you for accepting me for who I am and loving me just the way I am, because I love you just the way you are. I am truly blessed to be part of your life, which as of today becomes our life together.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
Kung ang bana o ang asawa dili siya motagad ni ini, unsa bagyoy nakapabilo nganong nagminyo man mo, dako kaayo ang tsansa nga naay mga konflikto sa inyong pagpuyo. If beauty is the reason, mawala ra ni siya. Kung papurmahay glawas, mamatigdan ninyo na siya. Mamatigdan na ninyo siya.
And just forget the world. I don't quite know how to say how I feel. Those three words
I promise to put you ahead of all others, to be by your side through thick and thin, through good times and bad. You can always count on me. I promise never to let go of your hand, that the hand that I take now will be the same one I hold in the strongest storms of our lives.
Before we get too old, show me a garden that's burning.
I am truly blessed to be part of your life, which as of today becomes our life together.
Let's waste time.
I promise to be the best wife you will ever need and the best mother our future children will have.
And if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into light. All that I am, all that I ever was, is here in your perfect eyes. They're all that I can see. I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. And if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?